fun stuff. They're excited for something. I just don't know what. Well, guys, welcome back to CodesEmpire.
Yeah.
We haven't done an unboxing like this in a long time. I know I recently, well, it's been a little bit. It was last, I think it was in the winter time. I was at my friend's house and we did an unboxing video with one of those small little trucks. But this is obviously a large box.
What's more thoughts?
It's what?
What's more thoughts?
Oh.
What's the smell?
So what are you guys? What are you thinking?
An RC probably.
Is it an RC?
No, that's what I think. Yeah. RC. Because whenever it's on fire, it's probably an RC.
Oh, okay. Well, let's get the knife out.
Yeah.
I guess we better get this thing opened up because we've got kids that are getting excited and they're curious. So let's see. Ready? Dude, this is hilarious. I love this. What's that, guys? Yeah? Whoa.
But it's on board.
Yeah? Do I need? Should I take it out of this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. There we go.
That's more bad.
Yeah? What do you think of this, Sparky? Yeah? Wow. That's pretty cool, huh? So, this is SCX10 too, guys. It's the 1969 Chevy Blazer. And it's blue. Woohoo!
Hey, that's cool though.
Yeah, it's your favorite color.
Same as mine.
Yeah, the kids love that. Sweet. Man, check that out. That's pretty neat, guys.
Look how the guy. Do we have to paint it?
Nope, it comes just like that, Bugs. Pretty neat.
Do we have to build
It
it?
says LED lights included. Man, so I'm telling you guys, I got friends of mine that I trail with, and they always give me a lot of crap because all my trucks weigh a lot, and they always go, you know, dude, they're like, you don't need to make your trucks scale weight too. So that's the big thing they give me a lot of crap about. So this is probably going to be a truck that we're not going to do much to. We're going to keep it pretty stock because sometimes a lot of the crawling we do is on a lot of loose gravel and sandy type material, and heavy trucks unfortunately sink in that stuff. So it kind of sucks. Yeah, I dig a lot of holes. So this should float over it just like all my friends do. And I want to be just like them now. And they're excited. They're like, cool, now maybe he'll have a truck he's not going to baby so much.
That one bad.
Yeah?
Good one.
Good one, huh?
Yeah.
Kids are excited. So, let's see what we got in here.
Whoa! Awesome!
Cool. Okay, go ahead and pull that and set that off to the side.
Dude, that looks sweet.
Cool.
Yeah.
So it looks like there's a lot of the stuff underneath. Pretty cool. Cool. You got your little book. Always love those. We've got our radio. Let's get this bad boy out of the package.
And what's the remote? That's the remote.
Oh yes, sorry, the remote. The remote. Pretty cool. It's always, they're not too bad. Sweet stuff. How many batteries does this thing take? 4 batteries. That's cool. Really nice. It's got all your trim settings right there. Pretty cool. Very nice, very nice. Cool. Not too shabby. Cool. And of course, my favorite of all your parts bags, or your part bag, sorry.
And
But you got all kinds of cool stuff. Oh yeah. Our favorite, right? Our little. We got a lot of those, don't we? A lot. So, all kinds of neat stuff in the parts bag, guys. Sweet stuff. Let's put those right there. Wow. Let's. I don't know if this will come right out. Nope, it won't come right out. It's probably, yep. Haha. Guess what I got today? Daddy planned.
Yep.
Okay. I bet it comes right out now. Yeah.
Wow,
Cool.
yeah. Let's see the bottom. What's this?
Cool. Well, since we're underneath, let's look at that real quick. Check out the links. It's got all metal links under there. That's cool. Not too shabby. Your wild bore shocks, or sorry, drive lines. Oh, cool. That's a chassis mounted servo. Sweet. Look at that. That's pretty neat, huh? Look, it's even got windshield wipers, door handles, and side mirrors. They're kind of coming out a little bit. I'll have to get that all taken care of. Got our cool, oh wow, look at that. The dude, your driver dude, you can actually turn his head. That's pretty slick. That's cool. What tires are these? Oh cool, they're the Falcon Wild Peak tires. Nice, we like those. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, not too shabby. I like that.
And looks like on said rental whiteboard.
Sounds like the pinion gear on the spur is a little loose. We'll have to fix that. Fill that as soon as I put a little tension on that.
How about the belly?
Yeah, let's check out the inside. It's a pretty sweet looking body, guys. Pretty sweet. I love the details on this. Very nice. Very nice. Spots for lights and everything. Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Of course, we get the tag. We understand all that. Let's see. Where was I hearing that? Where is that? I'll have to look into that when I go to open up stuff. Wow, those tires are amazingly sticky. That's like really crazy. Check that out, guys. Never gotten a set of Axial tires out of the box on a ready to run that were actually really sticky like that right out of the gate. Yeah, I'm kind of impressed with that. So 35 turn electric motor right there, brushed motor, sorry, and your AE5 waterproof, but this is the AE5L, I think it is, if I recall, on the box. So it's got the lights set up on it. Of course, you got your 2 light buckets installed right there out of the gate. So I'm guessing if we want to add more lights to the body or whatnot, we'll have to add a little separate LED light kit or whatnot. There's our battery tray. We've got our Tactic servo, the TS4 or TSX45 Metal Gear. So I'm sure it's probably water resistant, not waterproof. So we'll tear that apart, waterproof that, run it till it blows up or whatever, and then put in probably a Savox servo later on, something like that. We'll check out everything in here, waterproof that up. I know this is in a sealed box, but that never really bothers me, and I don't really care. So I always like to fully 100% waterproof everything. That's just me. That's how I tear it apart. So yeah, I'll definitely be doing that.
Yeah, and also on the box it does say it's waterproof too.
Yeah. So it basically, that's the interesting thing, because being these here, I've never seen, every time I've ever opened up one of these, I've never seen these be 100% waterproof. They'll have rings or seals around them, but not be actual conformal coated on the circuit board. So if it's actual conformal coated on the circuit board in that, I will be super interested. But guys, we'll do a video later on, and we will tear open this specially, and I'll show you. We'll talk about various things, how to waterproof a vehicle, or determine, is your vehicle even waterproof to begin with if you get one. You know, even though sometimes boxes will claim that. And I'll talk about what servos I've seen that are actual waterproof, and ESCs and things like that. So I do know this AE5 is definitely 100% waterproof. So pretty cool though. It's pretty neat. What do you guys think?
Mine's cool.
Yeah? They're plastic shocks, but not too bad. It's kind of cool. It's funny, this back ones actually feel like they're a little low on oil maybe. Front ones feel pretty good though. Surprising. But I definitely like the chassis mounted servo. That's really cool. Probably the neatest thing they Axial ever did. So very, very neat. Wow, that is crazy. That's an amazing steering angle right there. That is crazy. Holy smokes.
Usually they don't go that far.
No, that's cool. That's a steering angle right there. That's crazy. Cool.
This will just get better turning.
Yeah. It's cool. Way cool, guys. I'm excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
So, you're super cool. I'm floored with how scale this is right out of the box. I mean, license plate, mirrors, door handles, windshield wipers, you know, lights, potential, you know, places to put lights, this awesome grill up on this. This is amazing, actually. Very, very nice.
The real thing.
Yeah, it looks really good. So it makes for a neat setup right out of the get-go. I'm impressed. I really am. That's cool. So that's our new Axial SCX10 1969 Chevy Blazer. I dig it. It's cool. And you guys were awesome. Man, I got a kick out of how excited you guys were. That was hilarious. You guys were so cute. So, anyways, well, I guess we'll wrap this video up. And that's our unboxing with this here. Stay tuned for more fun stuff coming up. Like I said, we'll do a full-on teardown on this and kind of go over some neat stuff as far as waterproofing and making sure it is waterproof. So, thanks for watching with CodesEmpire, my friends. So, I guess until our next adventure, whatever it might be, huh? So, see ya.